Our homemade version of this popular Indian street food is oven-baked rather than deep-fried to keep it healthy. The delicate taste of the fish is complemented by the vibrancy of the spices and a cool herby yogurt. It really is an aromatic tour de force. Start off by grating the veggies. Fry half an onion, a large carrot and 1 red chilli. Add 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons of medium curry powder, and cook out till the spices are toasted. Add a little water and cook for a few more minutes until the veg is softened. Tip the mixture into a food processor and add 600 grams of firm white fish. We used cod. Add some fresh coriander and a pinch of salt. Pulse until you have a thick mixture and add 4 level tablespoons of self-raising flour. Spoon into 16 equal patties and spritz with low-calorie cooking spray. Bake at fan 200, 220 degrees C or gas 7 for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden. Serve with mint and coriander dip and lemon or lime wedges.